everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to be cooking fish stew, and we've got here fresh fish, black pepper, salt, red paprika, hot paprika, tomatoes, 2 onions, 3 garlic, 2 bell peppers and 3 carrots. So the first thing we are going to do is gut and wash the fish. So we are finished now washing and cutting the fish, and we're going to get started. So we start off by chopping the veg. We're going to cut the onions. Hi guys, I forgot to mention that we need cooking oil, 2 tablespoonfuls. So I'm just going to put the oil now in my saucepan so that I can fry the onions. I'm just going to add the onions in the saucepan. So while the onion is frying, I'll just quickly chop up my other remaining vegetables. I think you must have seen that I didn't wash, but I actually washed this carrot before even I started peeling, but I'm going to wash again after cutting like this, just to make sure that it is very clean before I add it into my saucepan. Okay, I've added the garlic, so I'm going to add some curry powder as well, a teaspoon. Tomatoes. If you want to add the curry powder, you can't leave it for long, because when curry powder burns, it becomes so bitter and you won't enjoy your food. I'm just going to add the rest like this, like that. Mix it and leave it to cook until the sauce gets thick. About 10 minutes should be enough. I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, our sauce has cooked. Now it's ready. I don't know whether you can see. It's a bit steamy. Yeah. I'm just going to add the fish now. Just make sure that it is covered with the sauce. Just scoop some sauce on top. Then we will leave it to cook for at least 10, because fish doesn't really take long to cook. We leave it to cook for 10 minutes in the tomato sauce. Then we will add the veg and it will cook for another 10 minutes, and then it should be done. Okay, let's check our fish now. Yeah, it's ready for the veg to go in. So I'm just going to add it, all of that. Try not to mix it too vigorously, otherwise your fish can fall apart. Now we are going to leave this veg also to cook for another 10 minutes, and that should be enough. So you can see, this is the final stage of our fish. It's nicely cooked. You can see the bone is falling off. Yeah, so this is done. This is the fish. It's done now. So what we are going to use is we are going to have it with rice, and for those who like sweet potatoes, they can also have with sweet potatoes. And also you can also have with a bit of plantain, boiled plantain, and you can actually put a bit of kwang. It's looking delicious. I can't wait to eat it. So this is the final dish of our fish stew. and rice. Please let us know when you try out the recipe what you think. Please remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.